angular shape. The map type of tree map can be automatic, size of rectangular boxes, and their different colors is determined by a measure. The detail or label on rectangular boxes is usually determined by a, a dimension. So, we'll be beginning with importing an Excel file using a file option and open a .xlsx file, that is NFL offensive player stats data. So the data is being imported by executing different queries in Tableau. So we'll be using 1999 to 2013 data. So going to sheet number one, we'll be using a homestead dimension and dropping it in column shelf. We'll be using college wins, college losses measure and dropping it in rows. Now, under show me option, we'll choose tree map. So this is a tree map, and we'll be using year dimension as our color. So this is the tree map of between home state and college losses. So we'll be changing the name of the visualization, tree maps in Tableau. All right. Thank you for watching.